To change text hyperlinks colors, open your page in the Squarespace editor and click Edit in the top left corner. Hover over on top right of section and click Edit section. In the pop-up panel, click on the Colors tab. Select and apply one of the 10 available color themes. To change links colors of the current theme, click on the pencil icon. Scroll down or press Ctrl F and search link to jump to its settings. Use the arrow in your browser search box to move through each result. This method works for all link types: navigation links, heading links, menu link, card description links of list section, banner, slideshow and carousel, blog read more links, inline image block links, social links and content link block. But in this tutorial, I'm focusing only on text links. Click on the color circle next to the tweak you want to change. In the pop-up box, select Custom instead of Palette. Move the sliders to choose a specific suitable color. Alternatively, from the drop-down menu on the bottom left of the box, select Hex instead of RGB or HSL. Paste your desired hex code into the input slot. To apply color, click the mouse on empty space at top of settings. Click Save in the top left corner when finished. Before we conclude the video tutorial, take a look at our custom theme. Get professional WCAG-Passed Squarespace colors for every block, completely free on our website. Link in the description.